Good morning, everybody. Let's discuss the pullback that happened for Open. A lot of you got rid of Open and get really angry about Open pullback, and some of you selling Open and tell me that is gonna flush down some more toward the 5 or 6. In today's video, we have to discuss what's going on and is there a chance for reversal or not. Before we go further, guys, remember disclaimer. Our content here is always for educational purposes and will not provide any financial advice, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, guys, let us discuss this pullback. This pullback happened lately. In just 5 days, we pulled back 34%. Let me just give you an example. We already did this pullback back in the 25th of August, and we pulled back in just 2 days 32%. And the other massive jump that we did before, a huge sell-off, it was in the 21st of July. We pulled back in 10 days 66%. Imagine, from the $5 until the $1.70. And guess what happened after that? We have a bit of accumulation. We accumulated just for 1 week or 10 days. Then after the earnings, we had a huge, humongous reversal. In just 1 month, we did 500%. So the main question right now, are we gonna have resemblance or recurring for this reversal up and another squeeze up or not? This is the most important thing. That's why you're watching the video. I'm not gonna waste your time. Go first and straightforward to the chart and the analysis for open chart update for this week, of course, before the end of this month. It's September. Are we gonna have the reversal of September or in October? Because sometimes after this huge pullback, we might consolidate for 10 days, 2 weeks. Depends on the news, depends on the buyers and a lot of factors. However, in the meantime, we've got an interesting support. As we discussed yesterday, we said there is a support here around the 750. We have a little bit of dip, but we have a huge wick. What does mean? We have a big buyer around this level. However, guys, I'm just discussing what I'm seeing in the chart. Sometimes it's not 100 guarantee that we have a reversal. So always, as we said, this is for education purposes. Always do your due diligence before any trade you open. For now, we have open is still pulling back down after we discussed this flag. Remember, guys, this flag we already discussed it early on our Discord and on our YouTube live stream that we do 30 minutes before the market open. If you watch our updates here, guys, let me just show you what we did for open. We did open update before, as you can see here. We did it on the unicorn hunt, I think. Yes, we did it on our Discord. We discussed open, I think. Let me just check here. Yes, I think open, we did it here back. I think we did it on the 17th of September. We discussed open entry around the 1050, and of course we had the other profit taken, and we catch this humongous jump. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our trading community on Discord and Bitcoin, where we discuss open before the breakout and before the reversal down. So we discussed this reversal up here around the 17. Yes, so we discussed this interesting breakout that happened here, of course, and we have the resistance. Already got the resistance there, and we pulled back. Then we discussed yesterday and the day before on the weekend. We did this update here on Monday. We said if we broke down, is mean we're gonna flush down. If we broke up from here, we're gonna have a pump up. So this is the first sign for a big seller coming in Monday. So before the market close and after hours, we have the sell off. So for now, what we should expect, you see what's happened here. As we said, we already jumped down almost 33%. Even if we dip down more, we have another dip to watch out for, which is the 571. So this is by far the most important bottom for now for open if we pull back from the 722, because as you can see here, we have a bit of struggle today to break the $8.40, which is the current resistance right now for open around the $8.30 to break. So that's why we're consolidating sideways. So we don't have a big buyer like happened before. once we have this pullback, we have a lot of reversal. For this time, we didn't trigger a major sell buyer. At least we trigger it, I think yesterday in the after hours, when the price actually flushed down after hours, we have a big buyer around the 720 or over the 7. So right now we might have double bottom or triple bottom before a retest for the 830. So as long as we hold here, guys, the $7.22 will be really great for a reversal. If we reverse, I will watch for the $8.30 for a reversal, and of course we might test this white line around the $9.12 for the second level of resistance. By far, this is the most important technical level, guys, to watch to confirm a reversal up, which is around the 912 and holding over this white line to confirm another reversal up. If we didn't break the 830 and we break the 722, I'm watching for this reversal because we're gonna trigger the same wick here that happened today. We're gonna trigger it again here. I think this one happened yesterday after hours. Yes. So if we have another test or breaking the 722, I will watch with the 569 or 570 for a reversal up as well. And we might do a really good reversal here. We did even 17% reversal, but here we might do even more, almost 30% or more if we tested the $5.70. So let me know, guys, in section below. Are we gonna visit the $5.69 before a reversal up, or this is it? Are we gonna have a reversal from now from the 7 and go over the $9 once again? So let me know in comment section below. We're gonna discuss open in depth, of course, 30 minutes before the market open on our live streaming on YouTube. So hit the notification and subscribe so you never miss my update, and of course once I go live. And before that, of course, for the elite members, and if you want to support our channel, and of course if you want to have early access, because a few seconds and after hours pre-market where the action happened, like what happened for open, I always do update there. So if you want to be up to date to those levels, the link in comment section below to our community on Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, don't forget to tune in for tomorrow, and of course don't forget we have a discount, guys, on our Patreon. Not discount, but free trial, 7 days free trial. You don't have to pay for anything. You can actually join our community and Discord. The link comes section below, guys. I just opened it today, so let's get right to it. You don't have to even an excuse like you don't have money or whatever. You have 7 days free trial to check out our alerts and our community. If you don't like it, you don't have to pay anything, and of course you have to leave, and you don't have to even trade. Even if you're not a trader or you never trade before, you can actually join our Discord Patreon, because we have a community of traders, and of course share our knowledge and share our support every day before the market open, during the market, and after the market. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.